Alrighty, check it out. We just finished up right here the 2021 Ford F-150 Limited. We equipped this truck with our built package. Here at Cosmos, we offer a built package which consists of a 3.5-inch lift with your choice of 17, 18, or 20-inch wheels to be able to fit either 33 or 35-inch tires. So if you got one of these trucks at 2021 to 2025, 26 F-150, and you're looking for a setup like this to be able to fit 35s, let me show you what we did. So for a suspension, since this truck has the CCD electronic suspension, we equipped it with a 3.5-inch kit from Readylift. Comes with the upper control arms, a upper strut spacer, as well as a preloaded collar. And this will still maintain and your function of your electronic suspension, as well as the rear shocks. Also comes with a bigger block in the rear. Check that out. Readylift tubular upper control arms, 3.5-inch lift in the front, 1.25 inch in the rear. For the wheel and tire setup, we did a 17 by 9 KMC IMS in an all machine finish with a -10 offset. Wrapped it in a 35 12.5 17 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Overall, one of the best tires on the market you could buy for your truck. It's got that nice aggressive design, but is very quiet on the road. Check out the stance on the -10 offset. This is how much it's going to stick out. So it's about 2 inches outside the fender. As you can see, with this kit, it's gonna level your truck from front to rear. It's gonna leave it perfectly leveled. Nice even stance. And just a reminder, if you're looking to upgrade your truck and put 35s on it, this applies to your 2015 and up F-150s. If you're gonna be fitting 35s, you do need to do some modification to fit these tires. We had to cut the crash bars. Check that out. Had to cut them, as well as we did some trimming on this lower valence in order to get these tires to fit. Overall, very clean setup for your F-150. If you're not trying to go super high on the lift, this is the perfect daily driving setup. And yeah, if you got one of these trucks and you're looking to upgrade it, we got the solution here at Cosmos Truck Accessories, Phoenix, Arizona. Give us a call, message us, check us out on social media, and comment below what you guys think on this build.